the pace of adoption, especially with AI and all the data centers, is so much faster than the other digital transformations that we all lived through. And I think a lot of people thought like, oh, we have a little bit of time to catch up. But for this one, it's so much faster. SEO is really important. So like, even if you don't care at all about Instagram or Facebook and you think like it's not important, that will also drive traffic to your website and your digital platforms. And so this whole thing is like a cycle that needs to be nurtured. And that's like a really important role that the influencers play, because you have like the followers, you have that engagement, so the algorithm really favors your accounts and can help benefit the distributors' accounts. In the app, the Trade Hounds app that we run, that is everywhere in our app. That is what most of the people post, is content that's teaching you how to solve a problem, teaching you how to do an install. And right now it's a lot of user-generated content. There's tradespeople creating that content, but I see a really big opportunity for distributors and for manufacturers to create that type of content to be a resource to their customers. Now that we have so many users, you get so many responses. So you get like all this great like qualitative and quantitative data that you can look at and make really strategic decisions about where the app is going to grow. And I think that's like a really important part of the process that we work together as a team to really make sure that the community is telling us what they want their app to be. When you're doing the interview, like, shut your mouth. Be quiet and let them talk, so the poor video editor afterward can actually use that great soundbite, because there's nothing worse than finally getting the best character, the best story, getting this great soundbite, and then having the marketing person go, oh yeah, or like reacting in between. A lot of people are like, well, how do you like even get into social media? Like, how do you post content? Like, how do you integrate humor into the brand? And I will say, like, Claire does that. Ask our meme queen over there, because she does like tons of funny memes and all the fun stuff. But so with that as well, it's like it's about what's trending right now. Yeah. And it's like there's an urgency to like, you got to jump on it now for it to hit. Because if you post it when the trend is over, it's like not as funny anymore. Yeah. The advantage that you guys have with your XR, with like the Apple Vision Pro, where not only do you have a headset and you're immersed, you can also see your hands.
Yes.
I think that's so cool, because then people can actually see what they're doing. And we were with some apprentices using your program, your Siemens Educates America, and they had never used the Apple Vision Pro headset before. And as soon as they put it on, all of them were just blown away, and they thought it was super cool. And there is definitely something to that like excitement about the new technology that not only helps you learn more, because you're like, oh, this is new, there's some novelty there, but it's also like cooler. And it's something that I think will really help us recruit younger people into the industry, which we so dearly need. The fear of the unknown is what often keeps people from embracing innovation. They're scared of what they don't know, but a lot of times it's kind of impossible to know exactly what is next, and you kind of have to take a leap of faith. Mm-hmm. And I think a lot of people are balancing that risk and reward, and so many people see this risk, right? Like it's a risk to move forward if you don't know exactly what's going to happen next. But I think a lot of people forget that there is a big risk involved if you don't change.